What if I told you there's an AI out there that can watch YouTube videos, code like a pro, and even turn your ideas into interactive apps? Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, buckle up, because Google's Gemini 2.5 Pro is making all of this real, and it's changing the game. Today, we're diving deep into why Gemini 2.5 Pro is the AI you need to know about in 2025. Let's get started. So, what exactly is Gemini 2.5 Pro? It's Google's latest AI model, released in early 2025, and it's a multimodal beast. That means it doesn't just handle text, it crushes it with video, audio, and code too. Unlike older models, Gemini 2.5 Pro can process up to 1 million tokens. Think of that as a massive memory bank for understanding complex stuff like hour-long videos or giant code bases. It's like giving an AI a super brain. Posts on X are buzzing, with users calling it a top contender against models like Claude 3.7 and GPT 4.5. And here's the kicker. It's available to everyone, not just developers, through Google AI Studio. So, whether you're a coder, a content creator, or just curious, this AI has something for you. Let's talk features, because Gemini 2.5 Pro is packed with them. First up, video understanding. This AI can watch a YouTube video and break it down minute by minute. Imagine pasting a link to a tech tutorial, and Gemini creates a detailed summary, or even turns it into an interactive learning app. For example, Google showed it analyzing a video to build a vision correction simulator. Insane, right? It scored an 84.8% on the Video MME benchmark, outshining most competitors. Next, coding. Gemini 2.5 Pro is a developer's dream, ranking #1 on the web dev arena for building slick web apps. It can generate code from a video tutorial, or even design UI elements like animated buttons with hover effects. X users are raving about its one-shot coding accuracy, with only minor hiccups like a CDN issue in some tests. Oh, and it's not just for coders. Content creators, listen up. Gemini can brainstorm video ideas, suggest titles, and even generate thumbnails. It's like having a creative assistant that knows YouTube's algorithm inside out. Plus, with its deep research mode, it can pull data from the web and your own files to create detailed reports in minutes. So, how does this affect you? For students, Gemini can turn lecture videos into quizzes or summaries, saving hours of note-taking. For creators like us at TechWave, it's a game changer for brainstorming content or analyzing audience reactions. Businesses are using it to prototype apps faster than ever. And get this, it's integrated with Google Apps like Maps and Calendar, so you can plan events or find locations just by chatting with it. The catch? It's not perfect. AI can sometimes hallucinate, like misnaming a touchdown scorer in a Super Bowl video, so always double-check critical info. But overall, Gemini 2.5 Pro is making AI more human, more accessible, and way more practical. Why should you care? Because 2025 is the year AI gets personal. Gemini 2.5 Pro isn't just another model. It's a glimpse into a future where AI understands your world, from videos to code to your daily tasks. It's competing neck and neck with the best. And Google's betting big on it with integrations like VO3 for video generation. The tech world on X is hyped, with some calling it Google's strongest AI play yet. Whether you're building the next big app or just want to skip to the good part of a YouTube video, Gemini's got your back. That's a wrap on Gemini 2.5 Pro, folks. This AI is pushing boundaries, and I'm stoked to see where it takes us. Have you tried Gemini yet? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one. If you loved this deep dive, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a video.